Hi guys, welcome back to a new episode of this Arduino series. So today we are going to work on a very interesting idea as you have seen in the thumbnail and this intro. So we are going to work on this keypad based door unlocking system, which is basically an idea about password protected door. So without any delay, let's kick off today's video. So now let's see what are the components we need. First of all, we need this door mechanism that we have created already, and if you have not watched the video, then do click on the link that is available in the description or this I button, and you can be redirected to this project where we have created this door mechanism. And let me tell you that in the back side we have added this servo right here, and which will control the door. And the wires I have taken in this section, and the here is the connectors. So we will attach all the microcontroller and everything right here on this corner, and we will connect the wires. So the next thing that we are going to use is this Arduino Nano, that is I have already placed on this breadboard, as we are going to do all the connections right here. So then we need this keypad module. This is a 4x4 keypad module. So, and I have already created a video that how to interface this keypad module with the Arduino Nano. So you can check the description. There you can find the basic introduction of this particular component. And similarly, this is the LCD module, as we know, and how to interface this with Arduino. Already I have created the basic video. You can watch that as well. And in the backside, I have already connected this I2C module. That's all we need. And now we need to do the circuit connection. Then we need to do the coding. It will work. So now let's see how we are going to do the coding part. So for that, now let me open up this Arduino IDE, and here you can see this is the code for the door lock project. And okay, now let me tell you, I'm going to explain this code right here. If you want to skip this part, you can click on this timestamp and get to the end of the project. So first of all, here we have included the liquid crystal I2C library, because this is what we are going to use for that LCD module, our display device. So this is the liquid crystal I2C, and here we have declared the address of our LCD. So as it is a green color LCD, so the address is 0x27, but in case of the blue color LCD, it is 0x2F. And here we have declared the number of columns and 2 rows. Then we have included the Keypad library. How to include all these libraries, I have already told in the beginner video of these individual components, so you can check out those videos. And we have included the servo library and declared it as my servo. Then we have defined it as a password length of 7. So this is because we have to give 6 characters and 1 null character that is inbuilt. And if we want to create the password length of 4 numbers, here we have to write 5. Okay, so as we have taken 6 characters, so here we have written 7. So now coming to this part, here we have taken the position of the servo as 0. This is supposed to be the initial position. Then we have created this data character that hold the password length. Then this is the master. So this is the password. Here we have given 1 2 3 4 5 6. So instead of this, if we will write here any number or anything we want, so that can be added right here, and this is going to be our password. Then here we have taken the data count as 0, then master count as 0. So this will count when we are entering the numbers from the keypad. These things will count the parameter, like how many numbers we have entered. Like let's say we have entered 5 numbers, it is not taking the output unless we are giving the 6th number. So after the 6th number, it is showing the value is actually correct or not. So that we have declared, and these are few keys and all that we have declared for this keypad. I have told about all this already in the previous videos. So this is all this function for the keypad. Okay, all these are for the keypad. Then here in the void setup part, we have attached the servo to the 10 number pin of our Arduino Nano, and here we have added the servo close because we want the servo to be the gate to be closed. Then here the LCD and all these parameters, I have already told about this in the LCD video, so you can check out that. So in void loop section here, this is where we have done all the work actually. So in the beginning we have declared the LCD, so that's why it is always writing enter password every time the thing is open. Then here in the custom key, it will take the input from the keypad, and if the custom key is available, then it will do the data count of the custom key. Then uh, here we have declared LCD print star. That means whenever whatever value we are giving input to the Arduino, this LCD print, this star section is actually hiding that part, because if we will show the password what is it in the LCD, anyone can read it and remember it. So that's why it will just print star. Then the data count will be increased, so that next place will be taken as input. So after that, if the data count equal to password length -1, then this part will be activated. And here as you can see that if the data count is a master, that means whatever password we have given right here, okay, here we have taken as master. So whatever data we have taken, if it is correct, then the LCD will print this part, that access granted and door is open, okay, as we have seen in the system. Then here we can see the servo part, and this is a function we have declared, and I will tell about it in the next part. So servo will open, then we have added a delay of 5 seconds. You can edit it to 3 seconds, 10 seconds, 15 seconds, any number you want. After that, the LCD will be clear and it will write that the entry done, door is closed, and this will be cleared after 3 seconds, and again this loop will continue from here. After that, here you can see the void clear data. That means if once this section is completed, then the data will be cleared, and so that we can run the next part. After that, here you can see the servo open function we have declared, and here we have taken that for position equal to 180 degree to open the servo. That means to open the gate, we have to move the servo 180 degree, and this is the functions, the codes we have to write for the servo. Similarly, another function I have taken at servo close. Here my servo position is 0. That means it will be closed, so door will be closed. So that's all. Now go to tools, and here select the board as Arduino Nano, and the processor is supposed to be the old bootloader, and here you have to choose the port according to your computer. After that, upload the code to your Arduino Nano, and now let's see how it's working. Okay, so now let's turn on our system. Okay, so the system is on, and as you can see, this is the whole setup. And here we have added the LCD screen, and here is the keypad module where we are supposed to give the password. So let's say first try with some wrong password. Let's say I am writing 452174 something. Access denied because of wrong password. So now let me write the right one. So 1 2 3 4 5 6, yeah, access granted, door is open, and after 5 seconds the door will be automatically closed, and here it is writing entry done, door is closed. Then again this password screen will appear right here. So here you can again, let's say one more try, 1 2 3 4 5 6, yeah, door is open, and like that after 5 seconds the door will be automatically closed. So that's how we created this password protected door unlocking system. And if you like this tutorial, then don't forget to click on that like button, share it with your friends, and if you have any thoughts, suggestions or doubts, you can ask me in the comment section below, or you can connect me on the social media handles. You can find the links below. So don't forget to subscribe to the channel and hit that bell icon so that whenever I will upload a new video, you can get the instant notification. So see you in the next one. Till then, be cool, work smart.